Hi, I'm Max and I'm a designer. In next 2 minutes I'm gonna invite you to meet Nireeka. Nireeka is a smart e-bike and our vision is to make it affordable for all people around the world. Let's take a look.
This is Nireeka, an electric bicycle, and beautifully the most affordable carbon fiber smart electric bike ever. With 3 model ranges, Street, Street Plus, and Homey, all under $1,000. You can ride Nireeka as a normal bike with the 10-speed Shimano gears, or enjoy the luxury and the real joy of the 500 watts electric hub motor to go further and beyond effortlessly. You can cruise smoothly through your neighborhood at up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, and with a range of up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers on a single charge. Nireeka makes every journey an exciting experience. Nireeka is a beautifully designed smart e-bike with a very lightweight yet extremely strong monocoque carbon fiber frame and a powerful motor at an affordable price, with unique and recognizable silhouette featuring a cutting-edge technology and packed with mind-blowing options. Nireeka is not a downhill bike, but it doesn't mean we haven't pushed it too hard and break its limits. Introducing Nireeka Heartbeat Assist. When activated, the faster heartbeat you get, the more assist you get from the motor automatically. This mode gives you 3 pedal assist levels based on your heartbeat rate. You can also calibrate the percentage of assist you would like to receive using the Nireeka app.
We have already built several prototypes and been testing.
Traffic. The word itself sounds depressing and stressful to most people. In fact, traffic is becoming one of the biggest issues in the majority of cities.
We're the founders of Strom Bike, from the biking capital of the world, Denmark.
Our mission is to make inner city commuting more sustainable and convenient.
In Denmark, we're known as the world's happiest country, and we believe biking is part of the answer to a great happiness.
But even here, in the biking capital, we are facing issues with traffic.
Therefore, we have developed Strom Bike, a modern urban e-bike to kickstart biking globally.
Strom Bike is your everyday motivation to get on a bike. Easy adjust the amount of assist on the go, and feel the joy of riding up to 20 miles per hour. Leave daily traffic behind, and feel the freedom and happiness of riding an e-bike. The bike is not only great for getting from A to B, it's the perfect bike for exploring nature and biking trips with friends. The 3-inch wide tires makes it the perfect match for any surface, any terrain. The bike is full of features and functionalities. We have even added a built-in USB charger to keep any mobile device charged on the go. Riding a bike has never been a more smooth experience. The bike allows you to focus more on the moment and less on your destination, with a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. The powerful assist from the motor allows you to easily overcome uphill terrain and windy conditions. Life is a beautiful ride. let Strom take you on new adventures. Back in 1994, a Danish politician was elected by promising more tailwind for everybody on the biking trails. Unfortunately, couldn't keep his promise.
But this time, Strom Bike is going to do something about it. We promise more tailwind for all.
But without you, nothing is possible. So help us make the perfect all-around electric bike.
This is a Swytch bike, and so is this, and this one, this one too. Swytch is an affordable, state-of-the-art electric bike system that converts any bike into an e-bike. And I mean any bike. With Swytch, you can go faster and further without breaking a sweat. Turn the power up when you need it, turn it down when you don't, or switch it back into a regular bike. Simply put, it's a bike and an e-bike all in one. My name's Oliver. I'm proud to be a British engineer. I studied at Oxford University and I'm dedicated to inventing low-carbon technologies that are good for the planet. The way we usually get around is not environmentally friendly or fun. Astonishingly, most of the journeys we make are less than 10 miles. A Swytch bike has a range of up to 50 miles. So why not make some of those journeys with one of these? It's fast, convenient, and way more fun than getting on a bus.
Here's how it works. We send you a brand new wheel with our lightweight hub motor built in, a pedal sensor, brake sensors, and the bracket that connects everything together. Simply attach the Swytch bag to go further and faster. It really couldn't be easier. Please support us by placing an order now, and we'll start putting together your custom Swytch package right away. Thanks.
More than 50 million cyclists are victims of bike theft every year worldwide, just like I have been, twice already. But 3 years ago we started a journey to find a solution to this problem. We thought out of the box and came with a pretty novel concept. What would happen if the bike was its own lot? We started testing materials.